Theta is a token in the Theta organization, which has a reason to give decentralized, safe, and open web-based and content conveyance administrations. Theta is one of the tokens on this blockchain. There's additionally tfuel, which is utilized to drive the organization. Theta network was sent off in 2019 by Theta Labs and went through a few updates from that point forward, the most recent of which was a significant move up to the mainnet v3.0 in June 2021. Theta organization urges members to share the data transmission and other figuring assets they aren't utilizing, offering them awards for this errand. Those assets can then be bought or leased by streaming stages or makers to impart their substance to their watchers. Decentralization addresses the issues frequently present in the more customary substance conveyance organizations, like low streaming quality or significant expenses. Repetitive duplicates of streamed content give dependability which works on quality, and the publicly supporting model keeps costs low. Theta token is utilized in Theta's remarkable two-step agreement convention. Notwithstanding the organization validators, who stake tfuel, the other token on the organization, there are alleged watchmen, who should stake Theta to actually take a look at the approved blocks. Theta likewise assumes the part of an administration token and can be utilized to decide on changes in the convention. Theta was exchanging at about $2 toward the start of 2021, yet soon after this its cost taken off pursuing the crypto market direction at that point, arriving at a record high of $15.90 in April. The cost remained very high until mid-May, crashing with the vast majority of the market to simply beneath $6. It energized in June, hitting around $9. Taking a gander at the master plan, one might see a reasonable banner theme, which apparently switched in mid-July, when the cost hit a depressed spot of $3.51. Toward the finish of July, notwithstanding, the cost gave indications of returning down, so the financial backers could need to lock in and hang tight for the inversion some more. Regardless of the way that 100% exact specialized investigation for Theta cryptographic money is not really imaginable, on this exceptional specialized examination device by TradingView you can see the constant accumulated Theta trade rating for Cho's time period. The rundown for Theta/USD depends on the most famous specialized markers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Theta value expectation for 2022. As of Theta cost expectations until the end of 2022, there are unique suppositions. Expects an upswing towards $1.29469, and reverberations with $1.51552 constantly's end. Different specialists, for instance, are more skeptical about Theta's future cost, referring to numbers downwards of $0.592 in December. Theta value expectation for 2023. In their Theta cost expectations for 2023, figures the coin's cost to go above $1.60986 by December. Gauging Theta's future, anticipates further development, as well, saying the Theta cost will reach $1.90624 at that point. Going against the norm, continues foreseeing Theta cost decline, providing cost estimates around $0.09472 in 2023. Theta value expectation for 2024. Theta cost expectations for 2024 are still prevalently positive, for certain examiners promising costs in the $1.69312 to $2.14061 territory takes an alternate view and refers to the chance of the cost coming to $0.6512 in December 2024. Theta value expectation for 2025. Foresee the Theta market to fill in 2025. Coming about in $1.79968 and $2.58759 before the year's over separately. Other Theta cost estimates support the thought. PricePrediction.net figures Theta to reach $1.85888 by December 2025. Theta value expectation for 2030. Discussing long-haul Theta cost expectations for 2030. Specialists present two polar suppositions. communicates the view that Theta cost will become further and at last reach $1.49184 before the decade's over. Cost expectation for Theta reverberations with the projection of an upturn to $1.552554. In spite of this, vision stays not so sure, encouraging a ruin to $0.26048. What is Theta? Theta is a blockchain-controlled network reason worked for video web-based. Sent off in WAC 2019, the Theta mainnet works as a decentralized organization in which clients share data transmission and figuring assets on a distributed, peer-to-peer basis. The project is prompted by Steve Chen, prime supporter of YouTube, and Justin Kahn, fellow benefactor of Jerk. Theta includes its own local cryptographic money token, Theta, which performs different administration undertakings inside the organization, and counts Google, Binance, Blockchain Adventures, Gumi, Sony Europe and Samsung as big business validators, alongside a watchman organization of thousands of local area-run gatekeeper hubs. Engineers say that the task plans to stir up the video web-based industry in its ongoing structure, centralization, unfortunate framework and significant expenses imply that end clients frequently end up with an unfortunate encounter. Content makers similarly procure less income because of the boundaries among them and end clients. Who are the pioneers behind Theta? Theta was helped to establish by Mitch Liu and Gee Long in 2018. Liu has a long history in the gaming and video businesses, helping to establish video publicizing firm Tapjoy, portable social gaming startup GameView Studios, and Theta.tv, the live streaming stage whose DApp was quick to be based on the Theta convention. Long is Theta's subsequent fellow benefactor and CTO, following comparable long-term insight and plan computerization, gaming, augmented reality, and huge-scope disseminated frameworks. He wrote numerous friend-explored scholarly papers and holds different licenses in video web-based, blockchain and computer-generated reality. Theta currently has a humble group, and its true site records key corporate financial backers as Samsung Next, Sony Development Asset, Media Financial Backers BDMI Bertelsmann Computerized Media Speculations, Innovative Craftsman Office, and conventional Silicon Valley VCs including DCM, Sierra Ventures and the VR Asset. What makes Theta interesting? Theta's principal business idea is to decentralize video real-time, information conveyance and edge registering, making it more proficient, savvy and fair for industry members. The organization runs on a local blockchain, with two local tokens, known as Theta, tfuel, controlling the inward economy.